I made $55,000 in 30 days with eBay dropshipping. $55,000 with eBay dropshipping. $55,000 with eBay. Is it still possible to dropship on eBay, Vitan? Watch this video and you will understand how to start in 2022 with this business model. I will share with you my 30 days results from dropshipping on eBay, signing up for eBay UK correctly, how to start selling on eBay UK in 2022, and some extra advices for dropshipping business. Hello. Yes, dropshipping works great in 2022. Let's start with the point 1, my 30 days results for your motivation. Welcome to my PC friends. For those who don't know me, my name is Vitan and I'm software engineer. 8 years ago I'm starting dropshipping business and now I have my freedom to work without a boss, without a working place and without a working time. So be here with me on my PC to see my results today, and don't miss to subscribe to my channel and to thumbs up if you like my videos. The first store I share has a turnover of over £12,000. The store is top rated and has 320 positive feedbacks for the last 30 days, 4 neutral and 7 negative. Let's go to the overview now. You see the turnover and I immediately share the active listings. Let's see how many items this eBay store has together, because I often hear the question of how many items to list in my store on eBay. Here we have 202 active listings in the inventory of the store. For 8 years, dropshipping has given me the freedom to work from everywhere. If you stay to the end of this video, I will share with you how you can take the advantage in this business. Don't forget to leave me a comment or question below. Thank you. Let's continue. Here is it with a turnover of over £11,000. We notice that this store is also top rated and has 178 positive feedbacks in 30 days. People often say that this type of trade was impossible and there were problems with good suppliers and customers, but I think it is the most accessible business we can start. Dropshipping allows us to work from whatever we want and requires almost no startup capital, and the risk is virtually zero. Here we see that there are 253 items in the store. Now let's move on the third store I want to share as a result. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and to thumbs up to support me. Let's go to the next store. This store also has a decent turnover of £8,377 and has 105 positive reviews for the last month. We have about 200 active listings in it. Let me now share the new stores with you from the beginning of the year 2022. The one you see on the screen has been active for 3 months. The last eBay store I will share for today has turnover of £1,468. It's a few months old. At the beginning of the video, the total turnover is over $55,000 from these 6 stores in the 30 days. So maybe you want to know the answer of the question, what's the real profit of this $55,000, Vitan? Yes, of course, I will tell you. I have calculated this with a precision. We have a profit of 23.3%, which means we have approximately in Bulgarian levs 23,300 Bulgarian levs. It is around $15,000 for only 30 days, but then we have to pay the staff. I have calculated that the average selling price on eBay for the last month is about $18, which means that we have about 3,350 orders, and the average time to service an order is about 6 minutes. I'm sharing this information with you because I want to guide you on how much work work there is on these stores. After deducting salaries for the products research, posting orders, replying to messages, receipts, accounting and taxes, this business remains about 10% of turnover, which I do not think it's bad. What do you think? Write me at the comments. Would you feel good with over $5,000 monthly profit from online trading without a boss, working hours and a job? Leave this in the comments. Lately, more and more people are waiting to me about investments who wants to make money passively with our service in Amazon. We have started working with many of them, and with some of them, as you may have seen from the previous videos, we already have results. If you have some additional questions, you can schedule a consultation with me using zerotosuccess.me/Vitan to start your business online with our team. Let's continue with the step 2, signing up for eBay UK correctly. As you can see, my eBay stores now are mainly in UK, and the question is how to start selling on eBay in 2022. We use dropshipping items mainly from Amazon to eBay, and as you already see, we do this business in Great Britain. When you sign up on eBay, you make sure that you put correct details. I mean name, address and birth date when you fill them out. eBay sign up form. How to start selling on eBay UK in 2022. If you want to start your business in UK, the easiest way is to register LLC. It will cost you around $80 monthly, and you will save VAT for first £85,000 of sales in eBay for last 12 months. In addition, registering a UK company will increase your profit because you will not pay this 20% VAT on each sale. If you want to start a business in UK, you can also contact me at support@smpro.net. Before we end this video, I want to share with you some extra advice. First, learn how to do this business, and after that start doing it. It is essential to know more about the business before starting it. In the links in the description, you will find a link to the best searching tool, Zik Analytics, and there you will find a lot of free materials about research. It is not so hard to be dropshipper in 2022, just need to have the proper knowledge. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. Don't forget to watch the video in which I show the results of Ivan after the first month of working with us. Thank you.